How about pirate?
How about she's a pirate?
Oh.
How about brush teeth?
How about boat for the pirate?
How about brush your teeth?
Laging toothpaste.
How about tiger?
How about brush your teeth? Laging toothpaste.
Lagay toothpaste. Ako din, toothpaste please. How about tiger?
How about alligator? How about whale? How about whale hands? Like this.
How about dede?
How about parang pirates mean?
Paano fireworks nga ulit?
Fireworks.
Another firework. How about what?
Ano?
Wiggle your knee and wiggle your knee and tummy and then the head.
Dami. How about iyak ni Philip?
Wow! How about sad?
How about happy?
How about picture your hand? Picture.
Picture your hand.
How
How about big eyes?
How about MM?
Pinging MM. Oh, MM.
How about
na surprise?
Surprise! How about Kinder Joy with toys and spoon and eating? And open the toy.
Open the toy.
Ooh,
How about kiss ni Philip?
How about hair? How about this?
How about Pacquiao?
How about Nancy hair? Lady,
Sinave yung hair. How about Super Bino?
How about to the rescue?
To the rescue!
How about car?
How about drive tayo ng car? Drive.
Look, that's the game.
That's the game, Philip. How
How about Penging Welsh?
How about DJ Utot?
How about penny flower?
How about DJ Utot? Excuse me.
How about smile ulit na maganda? 1, 2, 3. How about bye-bye?
Bye! Thank you for watching our videos.
Hi, bye-bye. Bye-bye, Casio. Yay!